Welcome back to Tonghack's channel. In this video, I will show you step by step to cut song or audio in Capcut. But before we start the tutorial, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. So here I already opened my project in Capcut and I already edit my video and my audio here. But the audio is way longer than my video, so I need to cut my audio here until the video is over. The first thing that I need to do is to know the end of the audio, where to cut the audio. I will show you with my pointer. Here, if you see the vertical line here, it means it is where you have to cut your audio. So you need to click on the audio here. Okay, if you already click on the audio, you will see several options on the bottom of the screen. There are split, fade, volume, and etc. But you need to click on split, so you can split the audio into two parts here. You click on split, and it separates into two parts. The first part, this is the first part, and this is the second part. And if you want to delete the second part, it will gone by clicking the second part of the audio and then you click on delete. And the second part of the audio is gone. And that's how you cut your audio in Capcut. It is simple, right? Remember, if you find this video tutorial is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you.